Hello students, good morning to all of you. So today let us continue with the other important concepts of the gravitation chapter. So in today's class, so let us derive the expression for acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth. So we are going to derive the expression for acceleration due to gravity of the bodies which are above the surface of the earth. So therefore, let us consider here. So let us consider this is the spherical surface, that is earth. So let us imagine this is the earth surface. Let O be the center of the earth, and let point A. So this is a point which is on the surface of the earth. This is on the surface of the earth. Means let any body on the surface of the earth. So that is at A. And from the center of the earth to the earth surface, let capital R be the radius of the earth. And so with this, now let us start deriving the expression. So we have the G at the surface of the earth, that is expression for acceleration due to gravity. So we can write G is equal to G capital G, that is gravitational constant, into capital M, that is mass of the earth, into divided by the square of the radius of the earth, that is R square. So in the previous class we have derived this expression, that is acceleration due to gravity of the bodies above the surface of the earth, that is on the surface of the earth, that is Gm divided by R square. So that I have written for the body which is at point A, acceleration due to gravity is given by G is equal to G, that is a gravitational constant, mass of the earth divided by R square. Let it be equation number 1. Now suppose the body is taken from point A to point B, that is above the surface of the earth, and let h be the height of that body from the surface of the earth to the point B, h be the height of the body. So above the surface of the earth. Therefore, let g dash be the acceleration due to gravity at a height h above the surface. So therefore, g dash is equal to, we can write g into m divided by, that is R plus h, total distance from the center of the earth to the body which is at B. Therefore, this is total height, that is R plus h. So therefore, here instead of R it becomes R plus h whole square. So let it be equation 2. Now dividing equation 2 divided by equation 1, we have g dash divided by g is equal to gm divided by, that is gm divided by R plus h whole square into R square divided by Gm. So Gm get cancels. We have G dash by G is equal to R square divided by R plus H whole square. So let it be equation number 3. So here this equation Gm get cancels here. So we will left with R square divided by R plus H whole square. Now simplifying this once again, R square divided by R square into bracket. So this R plus H whole square can be written as, so 1 plus H divided by R whole square. So it is as good as same equation only. So then R square, this is equal to, we can write R square, so it get cancels. So here R square get cancels. So we are going to get left with 1 divided by 1 plus H R square. So that we can write it as 1 plus H divided by 1 plus H divided by R whole raised to minus 2, because this is 1 divided by, if you take to the numerator it becomes minus 2. So then let it be equation number 4. Now let us consider that if height, that is from the surface of the earth to the body which is at height, so let if h is very small compared to the radius of the earth, means radius of the earth is very large. Suppose if you have lifted the body from the surface of the earth to some height this much, so from the earth surface to this much is very small compared to the radius of the earth. So if that is the case, then so we can consider here, that is h by r. So h divided by r is very large, h is very small. So therefore, so this is going to be almost, it is equal to 0. Small divided by very large, that becomes infinity, that is going to be 0. So therefore, so we can write g dash by g is equal to 1, because this term becomes is equal to 0. So therefore g dash by g is equal to, left with only 1 here. So therefore g dash is equal to g into 1, that is equal to g. G dash is equal to g means what? So the whatever the acceleration due to gravity is here, this is going to be here also same. G dash is equal to G. Here also same, here also same. So if you take any body on the surface of the earth to any height, some height, so considerable height, then the value of acceleration due to gravity does not change. So that is the meaning. Now equation 4 can be expanded with the binomial expression. If you expand this equation 4 by binomially, then we can have the g dash by g is equal to this 1 plus h by r becomes 1 minus 2h divided by r. Expanding this. Or we can write this one as 1 minus g dash. So g into bracket g dash is equal to g into bracket 1 minus 2h by r. So this is the final expression. G dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. So this is the final expression for the acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth. G dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. So we know g on the surface of the earth, we know already 9.8 meters per second square, 1 minus h. So we can substitute the value of the height of the body from the surface of the earth, how much body is lifted above the surface of the earth. So we can take it for 500 meters, 100 meters, so 50 centimeters, so 1 meter like that, 1 meter, 2 meter, any height we can substitute here. We know the radius of the earth already. So by knowing the h and r, which is constant, r is constant, we can calculate the value of g dash above the surface of the earth. So this is one of the expressions. Then coming to another one, that is value of acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth, means at the depth inside the earth, ಭೂಮಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ acceleration due to gravity ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. So for this, let us consider this is again earth surface, spherical surface. Let us consider this is the earth surface. Now let A is a point which is on the surface of the earth. Now let us consider the body is taken below the surface of the earth at a depth d. Height ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is denoted by d. So let A is here and this is B. B is at a depth d below the surface of the earth. So therefore this O is center of the earth, and from center of the earth to the surface of the earth, so automatically it is the radius of the earth. So now let us write the expression. So g at the surface of the earth, already we know gm divided by r square, already we know this. Then if you consider, let rho be the density of the earth. If density of the earth, then we can write density mass. We know density is equal to mass per unit volume. So mass per unit volume, density is defined as mass per unit volume. Therefore we can write here g is equal to, so what is mass? Mass is equal to, so we can write here, so g into m becomes, so 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho, because volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho, so that is into rho, that is density divided by r square. We know the formula, that is density is equal to mass per unit volume. Therefore what is mass is equal to, mass is equal to rho into volume. So rho into volume, what is volume? Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube into density divided by r square. So this we can write here 4 by 3 pi into g, as it is 4 by 3 pi into g into, this is r square, r cube get cancels. So only one r is left over here. So therefore r into rho. So let us consider this is equation number 2. Now at point B, at depth d, what is acceleration due to gravity at point B here? We can write g dash is equal to g m dash here. G m dash divided by r minus d whole square. Why it is r minus d whole square? Because so total distance, so here it is radius is total distance from earth surface to the, that is center of the earth, but we have moved the body from A to B here only. So therefore what is the total distance? Total distance is total r minus d. What is the depth? So this is the depth. This is the depth which is moved. So therefore r minus d whole square. So r minus d whole square. So now, so therefore we can write here for m dash, we can write 4 by 3 pi into, so r minus d whole cube into rho. So that is for the mass of the earth, if the what is called as radius, the distance is decreased now. Distance is decreased, that is radius is not total radius. So it is r minus d. So that is therefore so r minus d will be equal to rho. So therefore now, so equation you can divide the equation. This is equation. So therefore let us consider g dash is equal to so we can write here g into m dash is this one 4 by 3 pi into r minus d divided by r minus d whole square. So r minus d into r minus d whole square get cancels. So therefore so let us consider here equation number 3. Let it be. Now dividing equation 3 by 1. Equation 3 by equation 1. So we have 4 by 3 pi. So g into pi g into r minus d. So divided by into rho divided by 4 by 3 pi g r into rho. So what is this? So here we have simplified this. What is equation number 3? So this is 4 by 3. So this is square get cancels. So this becomes 4 by 3 pi into g into so r minus d only it remains here. R minus d remains. R minus d whole square get cancels into rho as it is. This is rho divided by. So this is equation number 2. That is not equation number 1. So it is equation number. So pi g r it is equation number 2. So equation number 2 dividing equation 3 by equation 2 4 by 3 pi g r into rho. So now so this cancel 4 by 3 cancels. So then pi get cancels. So g get cancels. So rho get cancels. So then what happens? What remains? R minus d divided by r is going to remain here. R minus d by r. So this you can write r by r minus d by r. R get cancels. So 1 by 1 is 1 minus d by r. So therefore, so if you take here g dash by g is there. If you take g to this side, so this becomes multiplication. G dash is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. So this is the final expression, equation number 4. This is g dash is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. It is the final expression for the acceleration due to gravity at the depth. Suppose if you substitute here for what is called as a depth. Suppose if there is a depth here, some depth is there, so that we can substitute because r is very large, radius is very large. Then if you move the body below the surface of the earth, then we can substitute that we are going to g is already we know on the surface 9.8 into 1 minus so depth whatever the depth we have moved, so that the depth divided by radius of the earth is already known, so that we can calculate g dash. Suppose d. If the body is moved from A to O, that is exactly at the center of the earth, then what happens? So this d is equal to r, that is radius of the earth. So therefore, if we substitute d is equal to r here, what happens? So r divided by r. So r get cancelled, so this becomes 1. So therefore 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into g is 9.8 is 0. So therefore g dash is equal to it becomes 0. Means what? So acceleration due to gravity at the center of the earth is 0. So this is how we are going to understand or analyze the acceleration due to gravity at the depth that is below the surface of the earth. I hope you have understood both the derivations, that is acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth and below the surface of the earth. So let us stop today. In the next class, I am going to continue to the other concept, that is gravitational potential energy and the derivations for this. Okay, thank you.